So when you start looking for a new car seat, there are three things that you want to consider. First of all, if your current car seat is expired, you definitely want to get a new car seat because expired car seats are not safe for kids to ride around in. Secondly, if you've been involved in a crash, some manufacturers will require that you replace that car seat no matter what kind of crash it was. If it's a really like a fender bender or you backed into somebody in the parking lot, they still want you to replace that car seat. Other manufacturers like Diono, if it's been a minor crash, will let you keep using that seat, but we would really like to talk to you to get as many details about your crash as possible. So if it's a Diono seat that you have and you've been in a crash, give us a call at customer service and we'll help you determine if you can keep using your seat. Third thing you want to keep in mind is the height and weight capacity of the current car seat you're using. If your child has exceeded either one of those, you want to move on to a different car seat. This is especially important for infant carriers because you really want to keep an eye on your child's height or weight because once they've exceeded either one of those, it's time to move on to a new car seat.